Yeah.
What did you clean it with? Peroxide?
No, it just bled it off a lot. I rinsed it off with water.
Okay.
There you go.
There's a product out there called wound cleaner.
Okay.
Just watch it doesn't get
You
infected.
should be using that after the first day. Don't continue to use peroxide every day.
Okay.
Peroxide, as soon as it happens, wound cleaner thereafter.
Okay. And you can get that at any of the drugstores?
Any drugstore, it comes in a little spray bottle.
Okay.
Ronnie, don't you buy it by the gallon for a discount?
I sure do. My daughter's a nurse, and they tell me don't use peroxide all the time because it undoes what your body's trying to do.
Right.
Okay.
Start killing the good bacteria. Hey, so that is a good perspective. I'm going to give you a slightly different one. Another option when you have those open wounds is to go ahead and add dirt to them. And then as they scab over, you want to pick at the scab a lot. And then what you will actually do in the end is create a really cool scar. So that's just another option.
Let's go. I'm going to go back to Ronnie. I got to go back to Ronnie. I got to
Yeah.
get away
Let's
from
see
Doug
that
Rowe.
bottle again.
There we go.
There it is.
Made
Good
by
infection.
Medline.
Okay.
That's a big bottle.
You know what? That looks like it came out of a hospital someplace.
No, that came from Amazon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I remember seeing that at Walgreens.
Put out by Medline. Okay.
A little bit of interest,
It's not cheap, but that's what you need.
Yes.
a little
And
bit
it-
of interesting information here from EMS. Peroxide kills everything, including skin tissue, which is why you don't want to use peroxide if possible. Peroxide is good for animal wounds, etc., but best if you don't use it because it destroys the skin tissue that's trying to regrow.
If
Same
you
with
ever put it
rubbing
on,
alcohol.
if
Same
you
with
ever put it
alcohol.
on,
Exactly.
if you've ever put it on a brush burn as a kid, you know it.
Oh, yes.
It burns.
And you sure do learn a lot on this